Oh, and actually another big thing, and this is going to sound like a minor thing, but also navigation. Like it has a home button. This seems like a really minor thing. If if I'm bouncing around from here, to deck 3 to deck 4, like
Actually,
you
that
want to
is
be able.
that's a great feature, Drew. A lot of the interfaces on high-end, expensive digital live mixers have that button, and it's critical to
Yeah,
get back to where you need to be in one touch.
exactly. And it's weird because a lot of products with screens, in the DJ industry, mixers, players, what have you, they don't have that. So it's like you have to bounce from screen to screen to screen to screen to be able to just get back to where you want to go. With this, you basically are within 2 touches from from the waveform screen.